Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Welcome. First of all, I would like to thank Dr. Modi for inviting me to share my voice with OnPassive. It's an honor and a privilege. Hi, my name is David Ball. I currently live in beautiful British Columbia, Canada, home of the 2010 Vancouver Olympic Winter Games. I am originally from Calgary, Alberta. I grew up with 3 siblings, 2 sisters, and 1 brother. Our dad moved the family here in the early 1970s. Yes, I am older than I look, but I'm really only 58 years of age. Would now like to share one of my early adventures as a youth before sharing my OnPassive story, if I can. At around 20 years of age, I was called to the Holy Land of Israel, where I met up with 20 fellow Canadian brothers and sisters in the Lord. We split up into 2 groups, each staying at a kibbutz. One group stayed at the Gaza Strip, and my group stayed by Mount Gilboa, on the way to Afula. We kept our stay by working as volunteers for 6 weeks. We then came together and did a 2-week guided tour all over the land of Israel, from top to bottom, even into Free Lebanon, escorted with an Israeli armed soldier. Returned back home to Canada after being away in the Middle East for 2 months. Moving on to my OnPassive story, I have been an early bird founder since December 2018. The reason why I came into OnPassive is because I wasn't ready to give up on my dream of making a consistent, passive, residual income that would replace my current JOB, just over broke job. My profession, I am a seasoned charter school bus driver, but have done many other job type duties, including working for myself. My profession is primarily seasonal, 4 hours minimum, 13 hours maximum, over a 24-hour period. So it's not easy to set up a budget to live off of. So this is my main reason why I came into OnPassive. I caught the vision early, and I stepped out in faith, and I truly believe and trust in our CEO, Ash Mafara. I tried, like so many of you, using some of these so-called marketing tools to help you build your business, costing you a lot of money with very little in return for your efforts. And yes, I have lost more money than I've gained, and I was ready to give up. But the fight in me said, not yet. I am so thankful and very grateful I found OnPassive. Isn't it time for a new business model? A new kid on the block? OnPassive is built with heart, the heart for humanity, the correction to corruption, leveling the playing field for everyone to be successful with no qualifications, period. Just like Michael Williams said, you just have to get in. If you're in, you will win. I chuckled when I heard Red Redfern and Marty DeGarmo say, "Winner, winner, chicken dinner." We founders are forced to be successful, whether you like it or not, which I don't mind at all. If you are in it, you will win it. It's a done deal, Ash Mafara says. You know what OnPassive is? It's a hands-free, done-for-you business in a box. What more could you possibly ask for? Like Marty DeGarmo said, think, automation, automation, automation. Bottom line, this is the best business decision you will ever make in a lifetime, in my opinion. Thank you for taking the time today to listen to my voice for OnPassive. I would like to encourage you to get back to the person who shared this video with you. If this is your very first time, however, hearing about OnPassive, reach out to me. I would love to have you and welcome you to be part of the team. I am definitely in it to win it. Are you?